Welcome. Today we are looking at the YESKAMO 3 megapixel wireless outdoor and indoor security camera. So this runs on the Easy Cloud app, which you could download from the App Store or Google Play. We have some features on this side. As I mentioned, wire-free camera, full HD, 3 megapixel, two-way audio, intelligent detection, free app, which I mentioned already. You could download that from App Store or Google Play. Built-in battery, plays well with others, so you could hook this up to your NVR box as well, or you could just view the footage from your camera. And it's weatherproof, IP65, storage, local SD card record. It supports up to 128 GB micro SD card class 10. I don't think there's one included in the box. You do have the cloud storage option, but you do have to pay for that. On this side, it's letting us know how easy it is to set up. Okay, I'll take everything out of the box. After watching this video, if you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you do find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to watch more reviews. I get an instruction booklet. What's this? Lifetime quality warranty. Do bear in mind, this is the earlier batch, so if you pick this up later on, this might not be included in your box. Okay, the instruction booklet. So it's giving us some information here. So this records in 2304 by 1296 pixels, and it's 15 frames per second. And the information what I pointed out before in the box, it has a 10,400 milliamp hour battery, standby time 10 months, working time 4 months, but that depends on how much traffic you have. If you have a lot of traffic, it will go down a lot quicker. And there's no that it's a 2.8mm lens, 120 degree field of view. More information here. We got type A to type C cable. Seems good quality, that. Seems quite long as well. So mounting hardware. Okay, so onto the camera. That's the mounting base. It has some foam there, 3 holes. That at the back is to adjust the camera. So if I twist it, I can adjust the camera at different angles. On the side we have 2 antennas for better reception. At the bottom, a speaker. Where I have my hand, that's the QR code. If I lift this up, that's where the micro SD card will go. On-off button there, that's the charging port, and then reset button there. So as it said, it's a 2.8mm lens, 120 degrees field of view. So we have 2 LED lights there. That's the lens. That's the status indicator there. Then we have the night vision sensor there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So as you can see there, I already have the app. Okay, I'll turn the camera on and then we'll hook it up. Now, it's very important to remember, before you mount the camera outside, make sure to fully charge it. Is any life in this? Yeah. QR code is at the bottom. Scanned it, add. I need to put the password in for my router. I'll quickly do that off camera. Send a QR code to my phone.
Pairing success.
So I need to give it a name. Okay, I need to give the camera a password. I'll quickly do that off camera. The camera's added to the app. Just to quickly point out, when I showed you the camera before and I was twisting this around and I was saying you could mount the camera in different angles, I didn't realize you could completely take the base off. This will make mounting the camera a lot easier. So as you can see, mine's off here. I'm going to mount the camera now, and then we'll have a look at the app. Then we'll go through some daytime and nighttime footage. Okay, let's have a quick look at the app. So as you can see, the image there, then we have standard definition or high definition, speaker, that will take a picture and it will save it in the app. Start recording. The one next to that, that will flip the image around. This one here is to call the camera because it has two-way audio. So if you want to speak to someone, you'll have to push that. Playback. It brings a timeline up, and it has, if you push the calendar button, you have different dates as well you could select from. Just move the timeline back there. As you can see there. Move forward. You could download the video as well. At the top you could see it says local storage. That's because I have a micro SD card in this. If I did have cloud storage, I could also click on the cloud storage and it will show me, but as it's saying, we don't have anything on cloud storage. Cloud, obviously we don't have that. I have events. So all the motions that were triggered, they've been saved here. Then next to that we have photo album. If I click on that, so you can see here the videos and pictures are saved in here. Edit, so if you want to delete them, if I click on a picture, I could delete the picture, or I have the option to share it as well with someone. Then we have more. So at the bottom, these are quick toggles here. So we have the motion detection, that will turn it on, turn it off, and then the infrared one, if I push it again, it will turn on full color night vision. So the little two LED lights, it turns them on. Then we have a siren. I thought I'll make you listen to the siren if you're interested. So we have a gear cog here at the bottom, or we have one at the top. They both lead you to the same page. Got motion detection. So if I enable that, so it's low, medium or high. Humanoid detection, that's on. Then screen detection area. This is a good feature. The camera has PIR infrared sensor. The siren there, I've turned that off, but you could turn that on as well. So every time someone passes, not only will you get the alert for motion detection, it will also sound the siren as well. Then we have the recording setting. So you have some options here. So at the moment I have uninterrupted recording, and it's giving me a warning at the bottom here that will fill up storage quickly and the battery will drain out a lot quicker as well. The only reason I have that on because I'm collecting footage to show you guys, but once I've done that, I will be putting this one on battery life. So just say it goes off for 20 seconds, it will record the clip and then it will go off. I need to confirm that. Picture settings. You could do that from the toggle at the bottom, what I showed you before. So you have like full color night vision. It's letting us know that the little LED light coming at the front, or you could have infrared night vision. This is a good one. So say your camera is pointing towards your neighbor's garden, you could block that part out. So just say if I press add, so if I move it there, I want to block that part out. And just press save, and that area will be blocked off. The rest is in view apart from that area. So that's a good one. That it's a simple app. One thing to mention about this app, I have used this app with other products. Like I used it with the doorbell, and I think I used it with another camera. With them products, it worked absolutely fine. For some reason with this camera, the app is lagging a lot. Maybe a firmware update will help that. But as of now, while I'm using this app with this camera, it is lagging. Have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage and do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Just one quick thing to point out, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube do compress the file further, because when I edit the file, that obviously puts a compression on. So here I've turned the LED light on. This is what YESKAMO call full color night vision. There we are, friends. That was the YESKAMO wire-free security camera. Only issue, as I mentioned before, the app, it was lagging. But as I mentioned, maybe a firmware can sort that out. The camera isn't bad. It has a lot of features which I haven't seen in a smart camera together for a while actually. In my opinion, it's a decent camera. Do let me know in the comment section what you think of the image quality. If you want to pick this up, link in the description. I hope this video helped someone out. If it did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.